Some students have mentioned they are having difficulty with creating the frequency distributions inside of a Word document. So I want to use this video to show you how to do that. First, open up a blank Word document like I have here, and then I'm going to click on Insert, and then notice here's a table, so I'm going to click on Table, and I'm going to go down to Insert Table. The reason why I want to click on Insert Table is so that I can choose the number of columns and number of rows. Now, for instance, like our ages, we're going to have 5 columns because we're going to have the age column, we will have the frequency column, the midpoint, relative frequency, and cumulative frequency. So that's 5 columns. If you remember from project number 1, we had 6 different age categories that I gave you. And so we actually will need 7 rows because we need one with headers and then one with our categories. I'm going to click on Auto Contents and then click OK. And you'll notice that a table similar to this will open up. The table will actually adjust as you're entering your data. So notice if I start typing in age, it widens my columns. I'm going to hit the tab or the arrow to go to the next column, and here I will put in frequency. Then I will type in midpoint. Now I'm going to come over here to this next column and I will type in relative frequency. And you're just wanting to put these headers on here just like we do on pencil and paper. I'll tab over and do the cumulative frequency. And I don't have to move down or anything. I can just hit tab and notice it'll go to this first age block. And so in that first age block we have 18 to 27. And you will enter in your frequencies, midpoints, relative frequencies, cumulative frequencies. Then we're going to have 28 to 37. And I'm just going to click the down arrow. So I have 38 to 47, 48 to 57, 58 to 67, and 68 to 77. And so, like I said, you're going to count how many people from your surveys were in this age range. Put that number. You will calculate the midpoint, the relative frequency, and the cumulative frequency for each of these. Now you will do this for not only the age, but the height, as well as whatever your continuous variable was. Whenever you do this for your continuous variable, you'll need to, and as well as your height, you'll need to make sure that you calculate your class width and your class limits and everything. If you have other questions, please let me know.